Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 23rd, 2025, and we're diving into SouthState's fourth quarter 2024 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. SouthState has had an interesting quarter, and I'm excited to break down the numbers and strategic moves with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. SouthState reported a net income of $144 million for the fourth quarter, with a 6% revenue growth. John, how does this compare to expectations?
SouthState exceeded expectations with an adjusted EPS of $1.93, beating the forecast of $1.73 from 4 analysts. This performance was driven by steady growth in loans and deposits, as well as an uptick in net interest margin and fees.
That's impressive. What can you tell us about their profitability metrics?
The company achieved a return on average common equity of 9.7% and an adjusted return on average tangible common equity of 15.6%. These figures highlight SouthState's effective management of its financial resources and strategic focus on high-quality growth.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Moving on to operational efficiencies, SouthState reported an efficiency ratio of 56% and an adjusted efficiency ratio of 54%. How does this reflect on their operations?
These ratios indicate that SouthState is operating efficiently with a focus on cost management. The adjusted efficiency ratio, in particular, shows their ability to streamline operations while maintaining service quality.
And what about their future outlook, especially with the recent acquisition of Independent Financial?
With the acquisition of Independent Financial, SouthState is poised to expand its scale in some of the fastest-growing markets in the country. This strategic move is expected to enhance their growth trajectory and operational capabilities in 2025.
Balance sheet and capital position. Let's delve into SouthState's balance sheet. They reported a loan-to-deposit ratio of 89% and a deposit growth of $423 million. What does this tell us about their financial health?
The loan-to-deposit ratio of 89% suggests a balanced approach to lending and deposit gathering, which is crucial for maintaining liquidity. The 4% annualized growth in deposits further strengthens their financial position, providing a solid foundation for future lending activities.
And how is their capital position looking?
SouthState maintains a strong capital position with a tangible common equity ratio of 8.8%. This indicates a robust buffer to absorb potential losses and support future growth initiatives.
CEO insights and strategic initiatives. John, what insights did CEO John C. Corbett share about SouthState's strategic direction?
CEO John C. Corbett emphasized the company's commitment to building a high-quality bank with scale in the fastest-growing markets. He highlighted the successful regulatory approval and early closure of the IBTX acquisition as a key milestone in their strategic plan.
How does this align with their long-term goals?
This acquisition aligns perfectly with their goal to expand their footprint and enhance their service offerings. It positions SouthState to capitalize on growth opportunities in dynamic markets, driving long-term shareholder value.
Key takeaways. In summary, SouthState has delivered a strong performance in the fourth quarter of 2024, with impressive growth in both loans and deposits. Their strategic acquisition and operational efficiencies set a positive tone for 2025. John, any final thoughts?
SouthState's ability to exceed earnings expectations and their strategic initiatives position them well for future growth. Investors should keep an eye on their continued expansion and integration efforts.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on SouthState's performance in the comments below.